all of you were expecting कि architecture में घुस के हमको creative side explore करने मिलेगा. What happened? Did you get to explore your creative sides in this 5-year course?
Sort of. I mean, with me, it's been sort of, like everyone was great at sketching when I first was in first year. So I was playing catch up there. Then, like, once everyone who was good at sketching started moving to computers really well, and I managed to bridge the gap easily, but still, they moved faster. So this is again still bridging the gap, still bridging that. So I was just playing catch up until fourth year, where everyone's like, chilling, and I'm like working on my portfolio, like fighting for my life, to like update everything, and I finally caught up. And then now it's like, finally in fifth year, it's like, okay, fine, now I can like free aim. I have less constraint, like actually be creative, I'm not just playing catch up and learning.
Yeah. I feel I relate to it because I did not have a coaching for NATA or anything. I just gave my NATA exams with 1 week of preparation and everything. So when I came to first year, a lot of people already knew how to do isometrics, they knew how to draft and everything. I had no knowledge about it. I had computer science back in 12th standard, so I was like, what is this? And I thought I'm bad at it because I was majorly, like, at least psychologically, I was affected in first year because everybody knew. Every Tom, Dick and Harry knew what to do, and I was sitting there in the last bench because I don't know how to draw isometric, and people just expect you to know. But thankfully, teachers helped a bit when I told them, I have no clue about this. So I was catching up on that part, and then the people, what I realized were the people who were great in first year, they did amazing because there was a lot of sketching involved, there was a lot of SR drawings and everything, so they did good. And second year, everything changed.
I think I can relate more to her because I didn't get any NATA coaching or anything. And in class, our teachers used to come in and they used to tell us do these ortho drawings and all of this. And I never knew what it is about, and everyone else knew. So somewhere I feel like maybe I am the one what is going on.
Do you think whatever you learned from these projects in your first year, you carried into the third, fourth, fifth year?
I think it took me time to like connect the dots of like how I should do it, because I think for me second year was a lot like too spatial in some sense. Like I was making buildings without like forms, and like second year in our college is all about the tectonics and the concept, and I'm like मैंने डब्बा बनाया है, डब्बा extrude किया है, and then I'm like detailing out the facade and everything.
First year is something that I still look back even today when I'm designing or thinking about my thesis. First year is the foundation to my design even now.
It took me a while to realize the importance of first year because even if it was very architectural in that sense, in that time it was clueless. I did not know. At the end of the assignment when I'm done with it, I realized, oh okay, this was supposed to happen.